Hello everyone, once again welcome back to the channel, and today I am back with one more important update on Wipro Velocity. So Wipro recently conducted an orientation for all Velocity people. So if by any chance you fail to attend that orientation, I have uploaded the whole recording of that orientation on my channel. So link is given in the description. You can see the thumbnail on the screen. You can go and watch that out. Okay. So after that orientation, many Velocity people are getting a mail regarding mandatory proctored based hackathon. So many Velocity people are confused because a few of them have not received this mail. So let me clear out that first, that why few people did not receive. So many Velocity candidates are getting this mail, that is Wipro mandatory proctored based hackathons, and there are many Velocity candidates those who have not received this mail. They are saying that I have not received any kind of mail like this. So for them, let me clear it out, that this mail is from Stackroot. Okay, so Velocity candidates whose learning partner is Stackroot, only those people have received this mail. Okay, so other learning partners, I guess they are not sending right now. If they will send any kind of mail, I will let you know. So in this mail they are saying that Wipro will be conducting two mandatory proctored based hackathons before your onboarding date, and below are the respective dates for that. So hackathon 1 will be first week of September and hackathon 2 will be in third week of September. So in order to succeed in these hackathons, they have given you three options. You can choose any one. So first one is the reference guide that has been already shared with you by Stackroot or the whichever learning partner you have, so you can refer them. Second one is standard stack books, for which they have given the link over here. So this is for both Java full stack and cloud. So now the third one is full-time crash course provided by them, which you can register. For registration they have given the link below. So by following this link you can join the preferable batch and you can revise all your concepts and everything from here. Now one batch has already started from 8th of August and it will end at 20 September 2022, and second batch has also started on 17th of August and it will end on 26th of September. So still you can join both these batches, whichever you want to join, and you can learn and revise all the concepts. Now the reference guide which they mentioned in point number 1, they have attached it in this mail below. So as you can see in this, it consists of all the topics which they have taught us earlier. So they have given us the source from where we can study about all this. They have just given a key points of all the topics. You can see we have everything right from Java FSD to cloud. So as you can see in AWS cloud, if you click on basic concepts, it will redirect you to this page where you can study everything. So now many candidates are having doubt that what if we fail to clear these exams. So probably no need to worry about this, because whenever Stackroot takes any exam, they give you second chance, just like in our hackathons. So don't worry about this. Probably it's not confirmed, but you may get second chance if you don't clear the hackathons in first round. Also, one of the mentor of Stackroot informed us that these tests are just to check our knowledge, so no need to worry about this. And now you are entering in corporate world, so you should be ready to face such challenges. So don't worry about that. Just revise your concepts and attend hackathons properly. So now last but not the least, what will be the probable joining dates for Velocity people? So as they said in orientation that candidates, those who receive their offer letter as well as the joining date for 28th of September, there will be no changes in that. They will be joining on that. So after they are joining, they will plan the onboarding for other batches too. So people, those who are not there in batch 1, that is those who have not received joining date as 28th of September, those people, your onboarding will be obviously after September month only, because in the September month First and third week will be hackathons, and without hackathons I think so they are not going to onboard you, because hackathons are for onboarding only. So don't pay attention to all those rumors that your onboarding can be done in the month of August at the end, or at the start of the September month, because Wipro has clearly mentioned that hackathons are for onboarding process, and you already know the dates of hackathon. So thank you everyone for watching out this video. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for further notification. Also do like, share and comment down your queries below.